Do you dream of creating authentic, wood-fired pizza right in your backyard? This Bakerstone Pizza Oven Box Kit makes this a reality by turning your gas grill into a high-performance pizza oven. This innovative kit includes everything you need to elevate your outdoor cooking game, making it perfect for pizza lovers and grilling enthusiasts alike. In this review, we'll explore the features and benefits of the Bakerstone Pizza Oven Box Kit, showing you why it's a must-have addition to your outdoor kitchen setup. The Bakerstone Pizza Oven Box boasts a patented 5-sided stone baking chamber, designed to replicate the high temperatures and cooking environment of a traditional wood-fired pizza oven. This unique design combines convective, conductive, and radiant heat, ensuring your pizza is cooked evenly and quickly. Imagine enjoying a perfectly crispy crust with gooey, melted cheese and your favorite toppings, all from the comfort of your backyard. One of the standout features of the Bakerstone Pizza Oven Box is its ability to cook pizza in just 2 to 4 minutes. By placing the oven box on your gas grill, you can achieve the high temperatures required for authentic pizza baking. The built-in thermometer helps you monitor the heat, ensuring optimal cooking conditions for every pizza you create. Whether you're hosting a pizza party or simply craving a quick dinner, the Bakerstone Pizza Oven Box delivers fast and delicious results. Crafted from high-quality steel and featuring a powder-coated surface, the Bakerstone Pizza Oven Box is built to last. Its design not only provides excellent stability and durability, but also offers long-lasting corrosion resistance and high-density insulation. This means your oven box will withstand the rigors of outdoor use and continue to perform flawlessly, season after season. The Bakerstone Pizza Oven Box Kit comes with practical tools to enhance your pizza-making experience. The included wooden paddle and stainless steel turning peel are perfect for handling your pizza with ease, ensuring you can achieve professional results every time. These tools are not only functional, but also add an authentic touch to your pizza-making process. While the Bakerstone Pizza Oven Box is perfect for baking pizza, its versatility doesn't end there. Use it to grill vegetables, roast meats, or even bake bread. Its simple structure and compact size make it convenient to carry, so you can easily take it to a garden barbecue or camping trip. The possibilities are endless with this multifunctional cooking appliance. Why choose the Bakerstone Pizza Oven Box Kit? There are several compelling reasons to add the Bakerstone Pizza Oven Box Kit to your outdoor cooking arsenal. Authentic flavor. Achieve the same results as a wood-fired pizza oven with the convenience of your gas grill. Quick and easy. Cook delicious pizzas in just minutes, perfect for impromptu gatherings or busy weeknights. Durable and reliable. High-quality materials ensure long-lasting performance and resistance to outdoor elements. Complete kit. Comes with essential tools to make pizza making straightforward and enjoyable. Versatility. Beyond pizza, cook a variety of foods, expanding your outdoor culinary options. In conclusion, the Bakerstone Pizza Oven Box Kit is a game changer for anyone passionate about outdoor cooking. Its innovative design, rapid cooking times, and durable construction make it an excellent investment for creating gourmet pizzas and more. Elevate your backyard gatherings and culinary creations with the Bakerstone Pizza Oven Box Kit and enjoy the taste of authentic, wood-fired pizza at home. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.